Hi everyone, Guillaume here. In this video, I want to show you how you can guide your analysis when analyzing your data with Inspirient. And so the first thing to do is select a file. I have an Excel file here with survey data. So I'm going to upload that and press Start Analysis. And so in a moment, we're going to be presented with the guidance panel. And on the first tab, Data Overview, we get a short description of the table that the system has ingested. And we see here that it consists of 1086 data rows along 43 dimensions. And so I know that the system has correctly imported my table. If you have multiple tables, they will be listed here with a description for each of them. In this text field, you can give your analysis a name. So if you want to run multiple analyses on the same data set but with different configurations, then you can version it here. That's very useful, but I'm just going to go with the default name and then move over to the second tab, Dimension Priorities. And here you can set how important every variable is. And so the system is learning over time which variables are more important than others to you, and so it will suggest some relevances for you, but if you like, you can tweak it a little bit. So for instance, this question 4, how concerned are you about flying during the current COVID-19 situation? Well, I want to focus my analysis on this question, and so I'll set that to high priority. And what that will do is it will make sure that the results based on this question will come up to the front, and I'll be presented those first. So when I'm happy with my relevance for each variable, I can move across to the third tab, which is Dimension Context. And this is where the system is telling you how it has understood every variable. And we have different annotations that help tell the system what everyone means. And the system has already done a good job at classifying what the variables mean. We see that it has left one out here, so I will add survey response in there under the semantic category here, survey response. So I'll just click that and check the others. I see another one missed out. Rather than typing, you could just copy and paste from there. I would say actually this is also a response, and the rest are demographic. Okay, so I'm happy with the annotations, and I'll move over to the final tab, the advanced settings. And in here you have some very specific settings that you can override here from the defaults. For example, some thresholds for outlier detection, or whether to show fractions for percentage values or just round them, and so forth. Actually, the last one is a text field for specifying values which don't know responses, whether the interviewee would rather not give an answer. And for this data set, it's actually 0 and B. So I've delimited the two values with a comma. And now I'm happy with my guidance. So the last thing to do is start your analysis. And that's it for guiding your analysis. And now you can wait a few minutes for your analysis to finish and go get a coffee or read a book. Okay, so our analysis is finished now, and we can review all the generated results. And so that was the video on how to guide your analysis. Please check out our other videos to learn about the other features of Inspirient. Thanks all, bye!